A very warm welcome to PCE Instruments, your manufacturer of test and measuring instruments for industry, trade and research.
Hello and welcome. I am standing behind the PCE-RRU 10. This is a recovery device for refrigerant. In other words, for cases in which the refrigerant is not yet to be replaced, but is to be refilled into the original system after maintenance or repair. In a way, this device has it all, because it offers some nice, elegant functions. For example, it has this practical carrying handle, which makes it easy to transport to the system, but it also works completely oil-free. There's a 2-piston compressor in here that doesn't need any oil, so there's no risk of oil potentially flowing back into the coolant circuit. And it has a self-cleaning function. I can turn the device a bit towards the camera. So we have purge down here. For example, this device is able to clean itself of the coolant that is run through here after use. We can see the connections here at the front. It's a 1/4-inch SAE thread. Here on the side, we have the connection for the cable for the limit value transmitter on the coolant tank. Because at a pressure of approximately 38.5, the device switches off automatically, so that it is not damaged, and so that the tank is not damaged. Not only does it switch off, but it can also display the pressure. We can take a look at the display here. It's really easy to read. It's very large and clear. And we can also see that we can switch over. So here we have PSI and bar and other units. So there is a lot of flexibility here. It works with Class A1, A2L, and A2 refrigerants, and can transport up to 9.5 kilograms per minute, depending on the refrigerant in question. This filter and a short connection hose are also included in the scope of delivery. The PCE-RRU 10. A really well thought out device when it comes to recovering and reusing the refrigerant. An oil-free 2-piston motor and a good device for professional use. See you next time and goodbye.
Discover and order the latest measuring and test equipment now on www.pce-instruments.com.